Tika bangakwa ban pensyai hang ne kalong kum ni. Hakwedei bat ka jinglut ke jingsep. Hadin bangilai yok. Nakaliang jo ka finance department bat kumju nakaliang ka health department. Nga IAP kini ki summary. Ki badon kam ki heads ki badon kam ngemla ban IAP iway i point lan iway i dak. Den re ngakwa nang ba ki paj ba akan tip kumnungi pelut yang nagpisa. Namadon ki baong ba kasorkar kalabam klop kasorkar hana kalabam klatep sepla kabamut ki ministers lani ki officers ki tep sepla ka pisa tengakwa ban kren ka basai ban tapintip bat baki paj ba nong sonong jong jala jongi kintip katnu kajing pelut kajengi kaba hadu menta kasngi hagwi dei bat kajing kun ya uneu covid-19 kajing pelut kumbang oi pi hadu kebakut jong une ubenai bakendai u September hadu bakut jong ubenai bakendai u September kajinglut baro kapoi lais pa kendai po kendai klur lais pa kendai po kendai klur bat kitu ki bangala batai menedeka pareng namar ba ngen kala hasir mlai dengan trai pelayo itu te kabangi ngi nakaliang jok sorkar hadu menta kasngi kabingila dep seu nakalais pa perkendai pukundai klur ngiladep seu kolong ars pa san powe klur bat kabedang sa menta bagin seu kolong sya shispa sau po pra klur
till the end of September this year 2020, I would like to tell you the total expenditure which is needed to meet different requirements in fighting the COVID-19 comes to rupees 399 crores. 399 crores. I will tell you the details, the heads, the subheads. 1. Under NHM, like corona centers, procurement of PPEs, ambulance, lab and surveillances, the amount spent is 188.9 crores. 188.9 crores. Under DHS, like procurement of machines, we call it BPAP machines, oxygen cylinders, BP monitor, viral transport media, digital body IR thermometer, ventilators, then ply mask, surgical gloves, thermal scanners and etc. It comes to rupees 82.4 crores. 82.4 crores. Under CMSG, Chief Minister's Special Grant, like payment to stranded citizens, transportation of stranded citizens, and also provision of kits and etc. is rupees 14.7 crores. Then from another hand, CMRF, Chief Minister's Relief Fund, procurement of ambulances, again, then biomedical waste banks, community quarantine centers and etc. is rupees 7.4 crores. 7.4 crores. Then from Labour Department, Chief Minister relief against wage loss. I think you remember, we provided relief in the form of financial assistance to about almost 2 lakh people. And also with those organized building and construction workers, we extended financial help during that time comes to rupees 51 crores. 51 crores. Then again from SRWP, or we call it MLA scheme. Through MLA scheme, advance sanction was released at the rate of 25 lakhs per MLAs to extend financial assistance or financial help to their respective constituencies comes to 15 crores. 15 crores. Then we got from PM CARES like accommodation facilities, food arrangements, medical treatment and transportation arrangement for migrant laborers comes to 3.5 crores. 3.5 crores. Again, under the head of DMF, we call it District Mineral Fund, like relief camp, screening points, district quarantine centers, and etc. 8.9 crores. 8.9 crores. Then from SDRF Fund, creation of additional testing laboratories, consumable and testing kits, again PPE, thermal scanners, storage plant in hospitals, setting up containment zones in the entire state comes to 23.7 crores. 23.7 crores. Under Urban Affairs Department, again they conducted sanitization works in different places, in different localities within urban area. We spent 3.5 crores and the total amount comes to 399 crores. And out of 399 crores, I would like to tell you, 251 crores till date, state government has cleared the bills, different bills, as mentioned by me from different heads. Are you clear? We receive from the government of India, the assistance that we receive from the government of India till date is 48 crores rupees. No doubt, 48 crores rupees till today we receive assistance from the government of India. Nakane kalais pa kendai po kendai klur kabangapa ketip sidipai pa ng solusyon jauh jelas. Kalau bang kasorkar India kaya yangi haduk mentas ni kabiyo kajingiram kasorkar India kelongan South Hopla klur tingkat kata kadai kajinglut kajingsep kabangakwa ban pentip na kementar kajingtip jogi pajba nusong senong jogi jelas. But kumbang all these heads, bro kiniki heads, kibangalang they indicate will be reflected in the annual report of the CAG. It will be subjected to auditing, as well as it will be also reflected in the annual CAG report. This issue I wanted to make it clear, because people, they may blame, they may say, they may talk anything, but ultimately, as I said to you, the CAG report in the next financial year, it will come out as per the indication I have detailed to all of you. Kini ki break up ki bangan ay minta ke jamin. Na kalian ke jok keserka ke bangan kuat penetru ipi galok. Ba kanem de bang syukren mengaku ni kelakut. Mereka ni kalau subjected kemoki ya ka detail audit, piong na ke local audit, lalu piong na ke AG audit, kin salet, but kin sa include hapo jong ka CAG report ka bajubi na ka way kasnem siya ka way pat kasnem ya ka jinglut ki jingsep ka ba ka sorkar ka pelut kani nga kwa ban batay kanang ba itu ki perlok lese ki bonghun ya ki jing batay junga ngong pipit sayo ya kata hapo ka actual CAG report ka bajuan ka babi na ka way kasnem siya ka way pat kasnem kata kadika bang ako ban batay yang kena puan
well calculative, but haka juga poru ngiyo yake entitlement naga central government na lor ngiyo ika monthly entitlement naga central government ngi persyang lu ban generate yaka revenue like komong pi menta akabidai bat ka excise ngi play ngi stang play biang ngi kitiki wine stores dan ngi play biang ngi dukan ngi baper ngi persyang ban normalize ban warna biang ngi kam ki jam berkoj kabade ki economic activities hapo ka jela te through jong kata ngi yo ya ka revenue katukan ni na kaliang jong ka state government berkoi but nga kermen scam ba hakine ki por ki banwan ngi nang relax syuru ngamar pi ka to ka 4.0 relaxation ya ka baka central government ka sarkar India klale again menta ngidang screen sa kada 5.0 relaxation ka ba don menta tingin nang epe chuchu na kata te let's say hakini kisngi ki por ki banawan ngin nang warna chuchu ya ka relaxation haki babun ki sektor kenang baka economy jongi kan poi biang back to normal ka financial position it is not conducive, it is not that good. Then Ray Watla Kataru again, CM Bangang in Dangalit Biang Delhi this month, Hakaba, hopefully, Komopi, we let me place it on record. But the government of India are all out kadon kajing, ka support kaba, kerpang na kamta jong ka state government kajing.